Hey everyone, it's Monique from NowYou'reCooking.ca. Today I'll be showing you how to make some delicious soul-warming spiced apple cider, cooked quickly in your pressure cooker at home. Obviously, you'll need some apples. I had some jumbo Honeycrisp and mixed them with some mutsu apples that I got from the local farmer's market. Besides apples, you'll need some good old Canadian maple syrup, cinnamon sticks, star anise, whole cloves, green cardamom, allspice berries, and fresh ginger root, about an inch or so depending on how gingery you like it. The key to this spiced apple cider are these warming spices. Make sure that you crush the cardamom pods with the bottom of a glass or knife to crack the shells. Seed and pods both go into the mix. The ginger root could be washed and roughly peeled and sliced. Now it's time for one of my favorite gadgets, my apple slicer. This one cores and slices my apples, and I could pop out all the slices at once with the hinged cover. Time to watch it in action. Cool, eh? Get your pressure cooker ready. As I'm tossing in all my ingredients, I'll tell you a little bit about the difference between apple juice and apple cider. Apple juice is filtered and pasteurized, so it stays fresh longer. The clear drink usually has preservatives and extra sweeteners added. Apple cider, on the other hand, is less processed, unfiltered, and its flavors are a lot more complex than apple juice. It's usually found in the stores around the autumn months. I forgot to mention this before, but if you want to add another dimension to your cider, toss in an orange rind. You'll also want to add enough water to cover the apples. 1 cup or 250 milliliters per apple is usually good enough. Set your pressure cooker on high for 12 minutes. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you could still make this recipe. After bringing everything to a boil in a large pot on the stovetop, just simmer on low for about 2 hours. Once the timer's done, release the pressure. Carefully open the lid and all of your apples should be nice and soft. At this point, you want to mash up everything in the pot to help extract more of the juices and flavor. Get a large glass bowl and fit it with a sieve or strainer lined with cheesecloth. Drop in your cooked apple mixture and allow it to strain into the bottom of the bowl. You could help expedite this process by pushing down the pulp with the bottom of your ladle. And you're all done in less time than it will take to head to the grocery store. Once cooled, store your homemade spiced apple cider in the fridge for about a week. It's best served hot and really hits the spot on a chilly evening. If you want it spiked, feel free to add a shot of your favorite rum. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date on all my latest food adventures. For the full recipe, check out my website at NowYou'reCooking.ca.